But my understanding of carbon monoxide, I'm no gas expert, is it's heavier. And so doesn't it sink to the bottom and it sinks really low? So if your carbon monoxide detector is not at your floor level, or maybe like at your outlets, and I'm using the outlets in this room as a reference, but maybe like, especially it should be below your bed, because if it's above your bed, that means that the carbon monoxide could rise above your bed level while you're sleeping, and your alarm up there is never going to go off.
It's not going to go off. You hit it, right on the head. You definitely need a CO2 monitor, at ground level, just a little bit above. Yeah. But I mean, that's awesome that you guys are thinking through that too.